to see how to creating a new worksheet. 3 new blank sheets always open when you start Microsoft Excel. Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Below steps explain how to create a new worksheet if you want to start another new worksheet while you are working on a worksheet, or you close an already opened worksheet and wants to start a new worksheet. Step 1. Right click the sheet name and select insert option. Now you will see the insert dialog with select worksheet, chart, MS Excel 4.0 macro, international macro sheet, MS Excel 5.0 dialog. Now we want to create a worksheet. So select worksheet option, select it from the general tab, click OK button. Now you should have your blank sheet as shown below, ready to start typing your text. You can use a shortcut key to create a blank sheet anytime. Try using Shift plus F11 button key and you will see a new blank sheet. I'm just trying now. Shift F11. See, new sheet is created, and you can use shortcut keys. It will be very helpful to you. Thank you.